Good afternoon, everyone. Dave here from Ceramic Pro San Diego. Just finishing up with this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo S. Did a complete color change. Used to be silver. Wrapped it with the Avery Dennison Satin light blue. Topped it all off with a ceramic coating. We did a Ceramic Pro 5-year coating on this car. We also did some window tinting. We did 35% all the way around with the infrared film, just to keep out the heat, protect the interior, make it a little cooler for them. Didn't do everything blue. Added some little black accents in here on the doors too. The details just to match the factory plastics. These were all black plastic from the factory. Front splitter here used to be silver, so we did that with the satin black just to match the rest of the plastics. Car turned out good, ready to hit the road.